G'day everybody and welcome back to the channel. My name is Sean and this is RFDHobby. I am so happy to be back here. I'm sorry it's taken me so long to provide an update, but as I said in my last video, I didn't want to get on here and provide updates about how tough things were or what other thing had come up for me. But I do have big news, obviously. Today I am sitting in my own house, so I actually have a roof and a sink and a shower. Oh, it's just the basic necessities, I know, but man, it feels good. It's been so difficult, I can't even explain to you how much of a challenge this has been for me. It has been a tough few years for me since, you know, the heart attack and the house fire and divorce, and, you know, losing Damien was tough as well. You know, home was shit, honestly. Yeah, it was not a great time. But anyway, I'm here now and I'm slowly getting everything set up, getting ready to get back to work and make some things. I'm feeling pretty good about that. It hasn't been easy, let me just say. I am stoked to be here and I'm so grateful for the help I got to be able to get to this place and to be able to work through all the things that have happened this year and last year and the year before. You know, it just felt like a snowballing shit show. So I'm very grateful to have made it to this place, and hopefully I'll be able to continue to, you know, recover and get through all those things as things move forward. Hopefully I'll be able to get some more videos out for you soon. I mean, it's been tough mentally to try and wrap my head around where to begin. It just feels like so long ago that it feels like starting again. So try and get in touch with a few people and you know, some of the local community, YouTube community, and try and engage with some people again. It's been a while and I've isolated myself quite a bit with everything that's been going on, so I hope to be able to get some videos out and get, you know, my mojo back. I really appreciate everyone for sticking it out with me and still coming back and watching these videos, and hopefully we'll have you know, more content, more valuable content. It's probably the better way to put it. Anyway guys, I really appreciate it. I will post another video very shortly and I will try to give you guys a bit more of a look around here and, you know, share some of this with you, because it is huge and you know, I want other people to share it with, so I'll bring you guys along. Thanks again for tuning in. Thanks all to my Patreon supporters, and thank you to everyone that supported the channel. You guys are great. Take care and all the best.